Welcome back to another CAD/CAM tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a tapered hole in Siemens NX. So a section view of this block shows this hole with a taper tip, as we can see. So this is a very simple tutorial. Here are some dimensions we are going to use. As we can see, the diameter of the hole is 20. We have the depth of the hole as well, the tip angle as well, we have it, and a few dimensions to help us with the block. Just like I said, this is a very simple tutorial, so make sure you like the video, subscribe, and turn on post notification to get a notification anytime I upload a tutorial video. Make sure you share this video to your friends as well, so that they can also watch this tutorial and help me grow my channel. We can now start. So as you can see, I am inside the Siemens NX 3D modeling workspace. This is where we are going to create the sketch and extrude into 3D. So first we're going to create the rectangular block, and then we add the hole. So extrude, because we are adding material, sketch on the top plane, which is already selected here. Okay. We have a rectangle, and we're going to use the from center method with the center on this origin. We have the rectangle here. So the length of the rectangle is 70 and the width is 50 millimeters. So we'll finish, and the height of the block is 30 millimeters. Looking at this right view, it is 30 millimeters here, as we can see. Okay. So this is the block. Now let's add the hole. To add a hole, we are going to use the hole command. The hole direction should be normal to face. The form of the hole should be a simple hole. And as we can see here, the diameter of the hole is 20 millimeters. The depth limit, we can see here the depth of the hole is 15 millimeters. So set the depth limit to value, and we enter a value of 15 millimeters. Now this depth is not up to the tip here. Looking at this section view, I'll zoom in a bit, and we can see that the depth is up to the cylinder of the hole. So for the hole, we can divide it into two parts. We have the cylinder of the hole and the cone, as we can see here. The 15 millimeters depth is up to the cylinder bottom and not up to the cone tip. So for the depth 2 option, we have the cylinder bottom and the cone tip. So this 15 millimeters, as you can see, is up to the cylinder bottom. So set the depth 2 option to cylinder bottom. Now the tip angle here is 90 degrees. That means the tip angle over here will also be 90 degrees if you know your geometry very well. So the tip angle is 90 degrees. Now sketch section, and then we select this face to place the center of the hole. I want to place it somewhere here, and let's add dimensions. So looking at this, the distance from the center of the hole to this side is 35, and this is on the longer side. So from this center to the end here is 35 millimeters, and on the shorter side, the distance from the center of the hole to this end here is 25 millimeters. So the sketch is fully constrained. Finish. And this is the tapered hole, as we can see. So click OK, Now we can have a section view. So come to the view command or the view tab, edit section, and then you select the plane to Y. Okay. Now with the front view, this is the tapered hole. So yeah, that's how to create a tapered hole in Siemens NX. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on post notification. And make sure to share this video as well to your friends so they can also watch it and help me grow my channel. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Safe.